Hi guys, so I'm gonna be doing a video for Life. I just got this order. I went to pick it up because I couldn't wait on delivery, and I'm just gonna do an unboxing and hopefully we can attempt to do a little trial test of the products together. Okay, so the acronyms of Life are Love Intended for Everyone, and this is so cute. It tells you exactly what I got. So I got the Aloe Rose Toner, the Royalty Serum, and Dr. Cute. So my cuticles have not seen my nail tech. Tamara, we miss you. So I definitely can't wait to try this stuff. Okay, so I'm already loving the packaging because it's sleek black and they have their tag and their Instagram. Make sure that if you purchase anything from them that you're adding them and also tagging them. And then it's purple. Guys, I am obsessed with purple. It's just the color of royalty. And then you have their logo as well. Sorry, I kind of ripped it here. I'm so destructive. And then you have a card as well with Life, and it tells you all of their products. So they're actually pretty affordable too. Their products range anywhere between $3 and about like $15. So definitely do this. You know, natural products are pretty expensive, and it also comes with a card. So you have all of their information. So cute. Okay, so let's get into the packaging. So their packaging comes like so. And you have, well, I could hear glass already. So, okay, so first things first, I have the Aloe Rose Toner. Get a little closer so you guys can see. The bottle is heavy. I love it. That spells quality for me. And let me just reference the price. The Aloe Rose Toner retails for $12. And this is 4 ounces. So 4 ounces for $12. Let's do a smell check. It smells very light. Very light. So I'm gonna go ahead and drench my face because I have nothing on my face. This quarantine got me all natural. And hopefully, you know, that helps to continue to make me glow throughout this quarantine. Next, we have the Royalty Serum. So as you can see, there is a bunch of goodies going on in here. So the Royalty Serum actually has aloe vera, almond oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, other essential oil, fragrances, grapeseed oil, and jojoba oil. So you guys can see it comes the little dropper, so you're picking up all this goodness. So we're actually gonna go ahead and attempt see how this feels. Oh, this feels so nice. And it's light. It's a light oil. Yeah, this feels nice. I can see myself using this after bath time. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. Oh, and it has like this, I'm smelling more of the rose from the toner now. It's nice. Ooh, I got goodies. Okay, so the Cuticle, Dr. Cute, this is so cute. So it has like a little twist up applicator. And then you go ahead and you apply it to your cuticles. This is so cute. Plus you're getting like good distribution on this. Definitely cute. I'm gonna be doing my nails later because these just, they gotta come off. But, and a little goes a long way. I didn't even need that much, but I turned it up too much. You can see there's like a slight glow as well. Don't mind my nails, guys. They're raggedy. And, ooh. So this is their Ignite Face Moisturizer. Let's see how it smells. Oh, that smells good. I'm getting shea in this. There's definitely some kind of shea butter, some kind of something in this. Loving it. So I guess these are like my little mini goodies. And I got a Charmed beauty bar sample. This is a handcrafted beauty bar that they made. This is really cute. So I can't wait to try that as well. And a mint rose beauty bar. This is really cute, guys, and it's only $3. So if you guys know the benefits of mint and also the benefits of rose, rose is one of those really expensive natural things that we have, and it actually smells really good and it's really good for you. So mixing the mint with the rose gives you an amazing aroma. I definitely think I might try this tonight. And let's see what's in the bottle. Oh, yes. It's quarantine time, guys. So I actually went ahead and I got their Aloe Citrus hand sanitizer. This is actually one of my goodies. I didn't actually get this, but I love it. Come on. Because y'all know. Ooh. Hit me. Because it's quarantine time. COVID-19 came in like a bomb and she just messed up everything. So this retails for, let's see, does it say? No, but I'm pretty sure it's here. Their hand sanitizer is $5 and it's 2 ounces. It's a spray, guys, it's natural and more than likely it's very concentrated. Definitely. It also has distilled vinegar in it. Anyone that's in the health field, they know that the substitution for alcohol is vinegar, and this has both in it. I recommend this. It definitely smells really good too. Yeah, it smells really good. So I'm going to show you guys my products and make sure you check out l.I.f.e.